Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into download mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your device or to your computer and then connected to your device. Now let me just bring up the volume just so you can see here that I'm connecting it to my computer. Hopefully camera will pick it up. Hopefully that was audible. Anyway, so once it's connected, we're gonna pull down on notifications, click on the power button, and then you want to select restart. And once the screen turns off, you want to hold power key or volume up and volume down and the power key. So let's try it now. Now I will grab it in my hand just because it's a little bit easier to press all these buttons. So screen is off. There was a vibration, so I let go of the power button. Now if it's not turning on, which, oh there we go, finally turned on, which sometimes might happen, while holding the volume up and down you can unplug it and replug it back in. So this would be in case that the phone turned off when I was holding the power button. This will basically make it automatically turn back on by just plugging it in. But anyway, as you can see, we have some warning message, and then below that we have a volume up to continue and volume down to cancel. So I'm going to press volume up, and there we are. That's the download mode. Now additionally, you can also see that it tells us right here that to leave this mode we need to hold volume down and side key, aka power button, for more than 7 seconds. So I'm gonna show that right now. I also will unplug the device because the cable isn't needed, so power, volume down. I'm holding both of them right now. Once the screen turns off like this, you can let go of the keys and it will automatically turn back on. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.